Yes, I would recommend Dr. Walker speaking to other organizations. Um, a lot of people don't understand sometimes when you have speakers come in to your facility, you're hoping to get something more out of the facilitator, something that the families or the patients and their staff members can touch. Dr. Walker put that in their laps today. She put that in their mouths, that she spoon fed them today. I got to see firsthand what it meant to have someone reach out and express themselves personally to our staff and our patients. So they got to see that and got to see someone who's real, someone who's been through a lot of things that they've been through, or been through a lot of things that probably were worse than what they've been through, but it didn't hold her down. It didn't keep her from being inspiring to do what she needed to do. So everything that she did today was very, very inspiring to my staff and to my patients. I would like other organizations to experience that feeling too. Once again, I really, really do want to thank her for coming here and being a part, allowing us to be a part of her story. Thank you again, Dr. Walker.